Alright guys, so this is my hair that I purchased from DHairBoutique back in November. This is the FedEx box that it comes in initially. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing of that today. I purchased my hair back in November, so it took taking me a while to open it. I will say, I think I ordered it on Black Friday, and it took them a little while to ship it, but I got it like mid-December, I'm sorry, mid-December, and I just got the closure. I ordered the closure yesterday. So when I get the closure, I will be doing a review on that as well. I am excited though, because I have been wanting this hair for a while. Okay, so it comes in a beautiful little pink box, very chic. I like that. And here are my 3 bundles. So as you can see, this hair is very soft. It's very soft. And excuse my nails, guys. I have been cleaning all day, so my hands are a little ashy, so forgive me. And I got a shorter length because I wanted to look realistic. I don't really like when hair is when people have hair that's like big and it's long, it doesn't look realistic. So I have 2 of the Burmese Wavy, the 14 inches, 2 of those, and the 12 inches. I have 1 of those, and I ended up paying, it was $270 because I got it, as I said, I got it on sale. It shipped on December 11th. So let's just look at the hair. And it's not as curly as I thought it would be. It's more of a wave. This one's more of a wave, but they did state on their Instagram page that the hair texture does vary because it is raw. So that may be, but I mean, I still like it. It's very soft. And they also said that you have to wet it when you want to get those loose coils. Now, I've been noticing a lot of people on Instagram lately saying that the hair is frizzing up. They do say that you have to co-wash it and put conditioner in, and you have to have a detangling brush, and you brush it from the, what am I saying, from the bottom up to detangle it. So I will see how that works out, and I will do an update once I install it. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed my review. Sorry it was short and simple, to the point. Bye.